Okay, challenging one today. It's a Jayco base station or something of that variety. I'm going to mount the fuel tank inside here, coming off here and putting a bracket across the top to hold it in place. Then inside there is like one option to put the heater, and it was where the jack was, which is right there next to the pump. It's going to be blowing air out through here. But yeah, this is all full. There's a sliding drawer in there, water pump, battery, pretty chockers, but it will just work, I think. Okay, we hit a major challenge here in that this is where there is space accessible. We've got this divider here which is there, but I could put the heater in that way, but then I got to duct it up over. Or back here there's all the gas pipes, so I just can't drill in through there. Gas taps, pipes, the whole bit. So I might have to do a bit of moving around of gear in here just to try and make it work. Maybe the battery might be the first thing to get moved across. Okay, so move the battery across, and it does give a bit more space. Just got to check under there before I drill any holes and see what's there. Hopefully that will be the go. Well, that's where my drill came through, so I'd say we're on a winner. Perfect location, that will work, thankfully. Okay, so the heater just fits, but before I secure it down, I'm going to need to drill a hole in this bit of wood here. Otherwise, I'm going to snooker myself and won't be able to get in there. So that's the next step. Take it out, drill the hole, and then we'll secure it. So this will give you an idea of why it was so tricky finding somewhere to mount this thing. You can see just how tight that is in between those gas pipes. Putting over the exhaust. The only way I can put us out there, because there's too much pipe work over there, run the fuel across there to the tank and the air intake back across over that side. Still got to seal it up. Is to get this fuel tank mounted with the bottom screws in there, and I'm going to put a bit of bar across the top to mount the top screws. Should be okay, but pretty tight. Again, just a little bit of mucking around. Okay, fuel tank located. Bracket across there, sealed in place. Going to put a bit of fuel in it now, and then we'll get it wired up. All right, we've got the electrical connection done. Got the heater in. It's got to tidy up the wiring down there. Got it running. We're just going to give it a test, and hopefully should be firing up fairly soon. All right, after much wrestling and wriggling, there's the final product. Still leaving a little bit of room in there for storage. With the controller there and the tank sitting on here. So I'll just go and turn it on, make sure it all works. I have run it, but I'll just turn it on with a remote control. So we want to hit here. Start heating. All right, and we're away. Easy done.